And where's the wire strippers at?
I don't know. Somewhere. Look around. Alright, I'll find them. I'll settle down. We got this all hooked up again. What's this? Oh, it's a scratch or something. And we're gonna try it again in backwards. Now, when we're all done, it's not gonna have that much of a slant. Don't know quite why we have it that way, but whatever. So, let's see if it starts right away. It's pretty hot out today. Okay, you can go ahead. Whoa, we got movement! It moved! The motor slid sideways. Ah, it's moving. That's a good thing. Uh-oh. Okay, it's moving, so.
It moves.
That's good. Now we know it's going to work. Cool. Okay, well, you saw it run, you saw it works. So my dad went to get some hose, and we're going to stick a bucket on there full of water, and we're just going to make it work for now so it'll stay cool, and I'll take you for a ride. But just cleaned it off. Notice the shiny wheels, almost shiny. Nice clean. I'm going to repaint it sometime. Instead of putting the sticker on, I'm just going to put pinstripes on there. I think that's what we're planning on doing. But yeah, it'll be really cool when it's done. I'm going to tear I'm going to repaint it after like the motor's in, like probably in the winter sometime I'll do it. But yeah, you can see our redneck radiator. Just a can we're going to fill up with water. Going to stick this in the output. Put some more hose on there, hook it up to there, and that's our input. So there's the hose. You can see we have water in there now. So okay, stick that in.
Before we take it out, we'll tie everything up.
All right, are you gonna put more fuel on? Because I filled the tank up. Okay. Oh yeah. Almost ready to go for a ride now. It pumps water. Just getting everything zip tied up so nothing rubs or anything. And duct taping the fuel tank down just for now. And we'll be ready. Fire up. Alright, here we go. Line kinked. We're gonna test the strength of the deck, but I'm not gonna record that or see if the motor can turn the deck.
How about bringing the hydraulics down?
I don't think it'll have any trouble. Well, I'm very satisfied with this. We were worried about it not having enough power. Doesn't think twice about going up hills, cutting deep grass. We tried, or deep grass, dear God. Tall grass. Deep grass. My mind's in other places. The only problem is the deck's being junky. It's throwing sparks and stalling out. So we got to fix the deck or take a look at it. But we're hoping in a month it'll be done. Because we got to find a radiator. We haven't even started looking. We got to mount to the engine, the radiator. We got to wire it. We got to build exhaust for it. So, yeah. But I'm pretty satisfied. In fact, I'm very satisfied. So, great tractor. Cool.